I'm at the airport.
You've already reached?
I've already reached because I come from really far.
Okay.
So
Okay,
I'm
cool.
always
See you in
on
a
time.
bit. I'm so late.
Excuse me, sir. What are your views about CAB and NRC? Nothing? You don't want to? आप भी डरते हो मोदी जी से?
Just made it on time.
Hey! Are you also vlogging now?
Yeah, I was vlogging.
High five! Hey!
Uruj is unfortunately not sitting next to me. She's gone way behind. So I'm just gonna call her and ask her to just look outside and wave to my vlog. I really want to come sit next to me. I wanna ask.
I don't think this is a good time for me to protest, you know, as a Muslim. Come!
Guys, that's so sweet. Thank you.
Are your ears blocked, Tanmay?
What?
Are your ears blocked?
Sorry, what?
Oh, I got it.
You don't want to go out?
I don't want to go out.
Why?
Because what if we can't come back in? Then our option is not there to come
Don't
back.
worry, guys. I'm Hindu, guys. Don't worry. How much do you think he got paid?
Is a camel? I think like some 50 lakhs? Wait, that's too little.
Would you make out with a camel of 50 lakhs?
I do it for free, dude. What do you say? You know me, Tanmay.
Go to the protest.
I did go to the protest.
How did it go?
It went great because we went to a protest in a state that's not ruled by BJP. So it was very nice and non-violent.
Then what happened?
So I was not supposed to go because my parents said don't go, we think it's unsafe and you're Muslim, so be careful. So I said of course I want to go. I went. And then I was like, look at my job, Modi ji mazak karna to mera kaam hai. Yeah. Then I made one more. CA dekhkar to mera Modi kharab ho
Oh,
gaya.
that was you! Oh my god, I saw that! Nice! What were your favorite signs at the protest?
One was jab Hindu Muslim razi to kya karega Nazi.
Which was great.
They were really good ones. I thought civilians came up with much better jokes than comics did and I was quite upset. I was like, why didn't I make this joke? You know when other people's placards got a laugh, I was like,
Yeah.
is he killing more than me right now? Like, but look at mine, it's also fun. So my parents said don't go, I said of course I'm going to like. Then I put up a picture of my own self on my Instagram but I blocked my parents and they're not very like tech savvy so I knew they wouldn't find
You
it.
just blocked your parents.
I just blocked my mom, my dad's not on anything anymore.
Mom, you can never complain about me ever again. I follow my mom and I DM her.
So I had to block her for her own good.
Okay.
For her own, after I blocked her, I was like, okay, cool, that's done then. They're just not gonna find out. It was one protest, I went and I won't post the next time I go. Then the photo came in midday and then my family group people sent it to my mom. And then my mom and my dad were like, hey, so what did you do yesterday? How was your shoot? Because I told them I was going for a shoot. I was like, oh great, gave them extra details about a shoot. I was like, you know, and then the agency fucked up, so we had to stay for... I lied. There was another shoot we'd done and I took that day's details and I over detailed. And they're like, oh, that's how you came so late. I was like, yeah, that's how I came so late. You know, man, shoots, my life. And they're like, oh, then who went to the protest? I was like, I don't know, that girl looks an awful lot like me. I was like, should I blame someone? Should I be like, this is someone who looks like me? But then it said, Uruj Ashfaq has a message for the Prime Minister. And my parents were like, you want to give messages to the Prime Minister? Uruj? That was literally the caption under the photo. Then they were really mad at me, they still are. My mom's giving me the silent treatment. My mom said, I'm not going to talk to you. And I was like, that's exactly what Modi ji wants.
If she doesn't talk to you, Modi ji wins.
Yeah. But she doesn't mind. My parents actually said that if you go again, we will vote for the BJP in the next election.
Oh my god, really? Subena, did you go to the protest?
No.
Are you converting?
Yeah.
Hey! Welcome to the superior faith.
I'll go to Christianity and then like take like steps further and then finally Hindu. Like now.
Hindu's on top. Good blasphemy on vlog. Well done, guys. Hara for the next.
I have an hara for the next protest, which is अगर मुसलमान है ना पसंद तो सबका बिरयानी बंद मुसलमान है ना पसंद तो सबका बिरयानी बंद. That's my nara. If you don't like us, don't eat our fucking biryani.
Just think about it. There's still time.
You think I should come up with better? You know, I had one more, which was I was thinking, but I haven't gone through a breakup recently. Give me some time. But it would be a great placard, which was India, don't dump me, my boyfriend just did.
Oh my god, even in your hypothetical breakup, you got dumped.
Yeah.
Hello. Ready for the show? Ready for the show? Ready for the show? Ready for the fucking show? Ready for the show?
Yeah,
You have to vlog about a fight. You know this.
We have to vlog our
You
fight.
know, we're not allowed to have any personal interaction without it going on camera.
Yeah, I know. But why did you vlog the fight then when I was yelling at you?
Because
Why did you vlog
I don't want
that?
people to know what we fought about. I just want them to know we fought.
Alright, fine. And we resolved it like good friends do.
Is it colder here or is it colder in Delhi? In Delhi. Oh, because yeah, atmosphere puts a bigger chill down your spine. Is that why? Laugh, Nishant.
As I'm.
Good.
Trained now. I've been in
Yeah.
so many vlogs.
Yeah, that's true. Also, as a Muslim, just fucking obey what we say. Okay, don't fucking act too smart. What the fuck is that face?
It's my detention center.
Oh, got it. Sumaira's entering to John Cena music.
Yes, that's right.
Awesome. Okay. So I will go in the audience and we will check what it looks like.
Let's do it. Let's
Then
go
each
check.
of us individually enter to John Cena and see.
Okay.
Does anyone? Do you want to enter to some other music? Do you want to enter to Jagjit Singh?
Do I have an option?
Can you download one Daler Mehndi song and one John Cena track?
You are mistaking me for Mr. Raudua.
No. It's for me. I want to enter to Turan. No. Let's just do one. John Cena would be funny.
I think John Cena is great.
Yeah, I like it.
I love John Cena. It was a great idea.
That's serious.
Sumaira, you enter in a really terrible way. Show how you enter.
I'm cool otherwise, okay? But
Okay.
when I have to be chirpy and bubbly, then I enter like this.
Why your hands in your pockets while entering?
Because I don't want to commit.
This is how you look.
Alright, everybody, get up from this smash it!
From a riot.
Which you may as well. You're in Gujarat, so you never know. Enter with some fucking attitude, alright? We're gonna do entry music. Guys. What will you call it if there's a French bureaucrat and he enters this toilet? You'll call it a VIP Frenchie. Huh? Up top, Sahil Bulla here. Let's go. Let's do it. Fuck yeah, killing.
Opening joke is that when you go to different cities, you want to check out what the city is known for. For example, if you go to Mumbai, you want to check out Marine Drive. When you go to Delhi, you want to check out Jantar Mantar. But now that we're in Ahmedabad, I want to check out what Ahmedabad is known for. But मुझे तारक मेहता कहीं मिल नहीं रहा.
In the middle of the fucking joke.
Yeah. And ruin it for me. Ruin it for the female comics in the city. The male comics always do that.
Okay.
That's true. The Muslim female comics.
What were you saying?
I'm a big fan and can I ask you out?
Can you ask her out? Go down on one knee, dude. This is what you ask.
don't.
Go down on one knee. Come on.
Be on YouTube forever, don't do it. Yeah. Thanks. That's very sweet. Thank you so much.
Are you just friends? Are you
Yeah,
just
we're
friends?
just friends. We're just friends.
Okay, cool.
We're only
Cool.
friends. See you later.
आएगा GTA का wasted.
Be such on a noun, but I
No problem. Everyone wants to ask me out. Can you all just line up?
You are so cute. हम में क्या कमी रह गई? हम भी तो हैं.
I'll come for you.
अरे शादी पे खींच लेंगे बहुत सारे. टेंशन क्यों ले रहा है तू? Click a Christmassy picture with our gingerbread house and tag us to avail 20% off. Should we do it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
100%.
What should we pose as? Come. This is the gingerbread house.
हमारे यहाँ क्रिसमस में घर के बाहर रखते हैं.
I think it's just a मंदिर की घंटी बजा रहे हैं.
Can you all just take a shit in front of it?
Like a hug.
Not part of this.
Nishant, come on, Nishant. Okay.
Just do it.
ऐसे कौन हंसता है?
You want the picture? Guys, 1 second. We have to taste this gingerbread. 1 second. You made.
This is made of gingerbread. This is gingerbread.
Oh my god.
Oh, निकाल ले.
No, this is not gingerbread. This is a This is just fucking cardboard, guys. This is not.
Did you just eat cardboard, Tanmay?
Fucking pieces of cardboard are coming out.
Who told you to just put it in your mouth?
Because you guys told me this is
eatable and shit like that.
This is eatable. This is cardboard.
Uruj, these chairs are also made of gingerbread. Here, lick it. Lick it nicely. Lick it.
It's not gingerbread. It's not, sir.
What is it then?
Sofa.
Okay.
Here's what I have to say. Oh, I love my food so much. I can't wait to date you all.
You know, even that is gonna get 25,000 likes. Just because it's on your face.
That just hates me now.
Like if Jaya Bachchan.
कौन सा floor?
One. This is Jaya Bachchan if I was coming instead of Shah Rukh.
मेरे तन में आ गया उसकी व्लॉगिंग की आवाज सुनाई मुझे
The fight was wrong.
What? What? What did you say? Huh?
I just want to say the fight was your fault.
It was my fault. You are an insensitive, condescending prick.
Nishant also said the fight was your fault.
Nishant was not even there.
Told him about it later.
Yeah, your fault.
He's just.
Hey.
Your fault.
Sumera, whose fault is it? Sumera, I've zoomed into your face. Come on.
I feel like it was.
It was Motiji's fault.
Drawing?
Your dick. Good. This is it. You see? That's yours.
Nishan, I just got a comment on the picture of us shitting saying, oh my god, Uruj looks so stylish while shitting, so cute.
लोगों को उरुज का टट्टी करना भी endearing लगता है. अब इसमें क्या कर सकते हैं उरुज?
क्या खास है आपके टट्टी में?
क्या खाते हैं उरुज प्रोटीन
You
लिए?
guys just call me funny, please.
You can call me cute. I'm okay with that.
So cute that she wants to be called funny.
20,000 likes.
I just want to say it's 40, but no problem.
40 भी है क्या?
Oh my god, Nishant. Like I said, Nishant, you always reveal your insecurity.
Night drive pehn के 44,000 likes.
For what? Which photo is this?
I went to Shadi. I wore a dress. I went to Shadi. My parents took a picture. I put it up. And I wrote, I don't know the groom and I don't know the bride. And I went to the wedding. But I ate dessert. It was good.
मोदी को गाली देते फोटो डाली उसमें 49,000 मोदी का और बिना मोदी के भी 44,000 मिल गए हैं भाई इसको.
Nishant, if you want to give Uruj one slap, I'm okay with it.
You edited it out of your vlog.
Of course not. I don't care about the slap.
I don't want to give Uruj any more attention. मैं सुमेरा को थप्पड़ मारूंगा. उरुज को बुला भाई. यार मेरे को क्यों नहीं मिल रहा?
So you can slap me. You know I'm into that.
I have no idea why she said I know that she's into that. We haven't done anything of that sort ever. You know I'm into that. तो ऐसे बोला ऐसे. सब झूठ है.
Anyway, तू सद्गुरु की माँ के बारे में कुछ बोल रहा है. क्या बोल रहा तू?
कितनी धन्य है वो कि सद्गुरु जैसे आदमी को पैदा करे. कहाँ है उनके चरण?
Oi, joke sing. See you in the morning, buddy.
ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहे हैं ना हम लोग?
Yes, 7:45 or 7:30.
Good morning. I'm trying to put my finger in your nose. 1, 2, 3. No, I'm hitting your nose. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Sir, anything to say about CAA, CAB Act? Nothing? Still nothing? Okay. Just want to get your reaction to her dance.
And Uruj going to detention center.
They let you out of detention center so quickly?
Yeah, they let us out.
You found your papers?
Yeah, I found my papers. I gave them my Aadhaar card.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed that video, then make sure you